What's going on, YouTube? This is Charles with Dream Clean Mobile Detailing and Pressure Washing. I'm here today to show you how to connect two pressure washer hoses together using one piece. It's very quick, very simple to do. Basically, what you would need is obviously your two pressure washer hoses. I just got both of these from Amazon. One is already connected to the gun. They're brand new. Just got both of them from Amazon for about $25 to $30 a piece. They can hold up to 3,200 PSI, and they're about 25 feet long. Well, they are 25 feet long, each one. And the second thing you would need is your actually connector piece. And this is what this is. I got this from Northern Tool for about $10.71. And it's after you get the parts and pieces, it's simple after that. So I'm gonna show you how to connect them together. You just take one end of your pressure washer hose, spin it in there. Alright, and this pressure washer hose is actually this end. This is one hose. The hose with the gun, the hose that's this part, you connect it here. Make sure it's tight. There you go. And you have the other hand to hook to your pressure washer. So as simple as that. What, a 2-minute video. So man, if you guys need any links or anything on what to buy, you can comment below. I'll probably put where I got in the description where I got the hoses from. And like I said, I bought this piece here from Northern Tool. Have a great day.